Terra P is one of the most popular household dosimeters in the world. It is made in Ukraine by EcoTest trademark. The household dosimeter is designed on the basis of the professional device MKS-05 Terra, which is used by the military. Terra P will help you to check radiation safety of your home, place of work and leisure, car, household items, clothing, and building materials. Terra P can also assess radiation contamination of food, including wild berries and mushrooms. The delivery kit includes the dosimeter itself, a leather protecting case, a brief quick start guideline to start the work with the device, and an operating manual for detailed information. The device is also delivered with AAA batteries, which by the way are enough for 6,000 hours of continuous operation. Terra P dosimeter can measure levels of gamma and X-ray radiation and evaluate beta contamination. Terra P also measures the dose of radiation you have accumulated since the device was turned on. Terra P dosimeter is easy to use. Only two buttons, mode and threshold, are used to operate the device. For the user convenience, the front panel of the dosimeter shows 4 operating modes. You can switch between them with the mode button circle-wise. Press and hold the mode button to turn on the device. After this, the dosimeter automatically switches to the measurement of gamma radiation and microsieverts per hour units will appear at the display. Intermittent beeps, which you can hear, represent fixed quanta of gamma radiation. More frequent beeping indicates an increase in radiation levels. The sound can be turned off if required. To measure the level of gamma radiation, the dosimeter should be placed so that the plus symbol on the back of the case is just above the place inspected. Already after 10 seconds of measuring, the device gives the approximate results. For more accurate measurement result, please wait till the digits on the display stop blinking. According to the Ukrainian sanitary standards, the maximum permissible level of gamma radiation is 0.3 microsieverts per hour. That's why the manufacturer has set this particular value as a dosimeter threshold. If radiation exceeds this threshold, the dosimeter reacts with an alarm signal. If necessary, you can independently set different threshold levels. For user convenience, the maximum permissible levels are specified on the back panel of the dosimeter. Without leaving the mode of gamma radiation measurement, you can also assess the level of beta radiation. To do this, make 2 measurements, the first one with a closed cap marked with plus, and the second one with an opened cap. For accuracy of assessment, the second measurement should be done only when digits on the display stop flashing. The result will be the difference between the measurements. If the results of the first and second measurements do not differ, this means no beta radiation is present. To find out the total dose of gamma radiation accumulated since the dosimeter was turned on, press the mode button, and units of millisieverts will appear on the display. To obtain accurate results, your dosimeter should always be switched on. When the dosimeter is off, the dose results reset to 0. Press the mode button to go to the clock. The display shows 2 pairs of figures separated by dots that flash often. To set the clock, press and hold the threshold button until the minutes start flashing. To change the minutes, first release, and then press and hold the threshold button until the required value is set. Then press mode to move to hours. To set hours, press and hold the threshold to set the required value. Press mode and the dosimeter will save the result. The alarm clock mode is the next after the clock. Press the mode button and the display will show 2 non-flashing dots between the 2 pairs of figures. You can set the alarm clock the same way as the clock. Interestingly, the alarm clock will trigger even when the dosimeter is off. To turn off the dosimeter, just press and hold the mode button for 4 seconds. It is a good idea to keep your dosimeter switched on always. Then it will constantly monitor the radiation level and immediately warn of danger so that you will be able to leave the contaminated place. EcoTest provides 2 years of warranty for all its products. To get more information about Terra P and find out about other EcoTest products, please visit www.ecotestgroup.com. EcoTest is your radiation safety.